Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock motorcycle exhaust louder. First, carefully examine your motorcycle's exhaust system to understand its construction. Locate the muffler, which is the primary component responsible for sound dampening. Before starting any work, ensure you have all the correct tools, including a drill, a saw, and essential safety equipment like eye protection and gloves. Always prioritize safety when working on your bike. One common method involves modifying the internal baffle. You can start by drilling several small holes, perhaps 5 to 10, into the baffle plate. This allows more exhaust gas to escape directly, increasing the sound. For a more pronounced effect, you might carefully remove a section of the baffle using a hole saw or a long drill bit. Remember, even small changes can significantly alter the sound, so proceed cautiously. Beyond the baffle, other components like catalytic converters or resonators also dampen sound. These are often located further upstream in the exhaust pipe. Removing them can lead to a much louder exhaust note. However, be aware that such modifications might affect your motorcycle's emissions compliance and potentially alter engine back pressure, which could impact performance. Always research local regulations before making these changes. Safety is paramount. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Remember that modifying your exhaust can impact your motorcycle's legality. Many areas have strict noise ordinances, and altering emissions components might violate environmental laws. If you desire a specific sound or performance gain without the hassle, exploring aftermarket exhaust systems is often a safer and more reliable alternative, offering a wide range of options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.